Kanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas no guchingira ku mwaka muya iriwego kinemerubiri yitu aho inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Gatembe gwetera ase Zuku satellite channel number 038 Gatembe television network ekeonga kiama mogusie.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security, pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Chitariki ni komi omotinyi no yokabero mwaka no yogwechirure 2025 nomo mwancho murigererinde no kwegena mbiyore andonsia sore na gokwanire nabo igongo kwarigani ko nyora mangana maya yekiunga chinsenyi cyabona butko eliterane Cyrus Nyakunde a sense meli manyuryo nere Wilson makoli na gusabire toskare. Kuchaka hekiunga chinsa hinye ni gamayanda habwatainse asomo ya gwa matanga wakomene homorokiwa weskuru ya sekondari ya Waisike ya Magena hoyo sireti obugima bwae magega yo muriro kubwata henyomba yo buraro weskuru yo asomo yego yokorekana sensemo ya Gisonso hime ya Bonchari county ya Kisii abange nigo bagikirega korekyo na kubuli abo bisaba abanyanyimbo kwangoi obutuke Mulikito Daniel Ontiri Orobotirwa senchira yo wekirano.
Kero yomo nyorali baga ligokwanira umuganda nigaorokia amaligae kubotakana no gukwa kwa Laura Kemunto Nyegoti munyaruka bw'imyaka meke boigo omorokyo uligochi kwikaransa asa matemwa yekirese gikomena kabere umwaka oyo uyokwete ogukwokorro kubotakana no gwateka kwa muliro ase nyumba y'oboraro ase skuru iga ya Waisike ya Magena. Asibiriro ebyaragwa naborokiwa bekerasi kyaye naborokia nigo bamoteba ko bomorokiwa urenge bomokia no urenge gati yabalia barenge okolie buya no nyina samasomo.
To the family, we extend our deepest and the most sincere condolences We stand with you in this painful moment and share your grief. We feel your pain and our hearts ache with yours. Laura was one in a million, very special and unique in her own way, beautiful way. She was our way of making everything and everyone around her feel special. It is a passage from this life into eternal rest. Our loved one, life mattered. The love shared, the kindness shown, and the memories we hold remain with us. As we mourn, let us also thank God for the gift of their life and find comfort in knowing that God is close to the broken-hearted.
Asense mwende omorokio monene we skuru yabo nigo asamariga manene akwanire igoro buna amwasemeretie kumwa grade kia omwaka oyo barera na kuboria serikali kubeke miroberio emekereno yogokeania na gusire bikore binga bune biga asamatukare bosio wetera so kubwaterana na bobwatani ao.
Laura was known to everybody, including the newcomers who are grade 10s. But we have no words to express our staff and the students of Magena Girls, and want to tell everybody that is involved, friends, neighbors, and everybody, we are indeed saddened.
I was among the first people to be at the ground. I never knew there could be such a fatality. So, we mourn with the family. We were here. Want to appreciate that you understood us.
But on a Sunday, my daughter told me what I'll never forget. You know, she asked me, Mom, why should we have a small car here? Then I want to pass. This your son who are driving. I'll buy you a better car. I'll build you a nice home. And then I changed you from Kisii to Nairobi. That's what Laura told me when she was going. So I have nothing to say. I'm only appreciating all of you, my brothers. They're wonderful people.
Nkuruba terega taseni kia gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii letere nenguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Bebuno homoli kito Daniel Untiri asorobotirwa. Nemecheni hetato yalire kurugusira kumusubati Felix takaunda kurwa sekenyoro kyabuge kamaliba himeje bonge ya kitutu chache kaunti ya Kisii. Niyagamati ya yeso kire na kubolia bakonye. Ilibanyoro muberoye kurwa sense ya Iraki ya beiregetiro kubwatikana. Okanyora kwa mateyo nigokoroboke mono hasiboigo hatigire maiga abana babire. Okubolia nokanyora umubere bw'umwanchobo heli bamweni bunekemira kyomugusikire. Moli kito diboni asanya. Orobotirwa senchera yobwikira.
Nole ntokorera ngaki mbali gotubwatisi imbati gosamba omwana ito agosamba buno musariti
bororo mbwa munyene amate echana busaigo nebirero bitali nekerengo kurwa sekenyoro kyabuge kamariba ebunge ya kitutu cha South ase amate yo mugaka kaunda erigetyo bokonyi asoko mwenia omwanobo asireta Felistas kaunda uyobete kagusirira asense ya Iraq kurinde omubiroye nigo kwamire asogotaika ili banyare komwenia
samarieta ngoro kurecho keneti kuruga abuge kamariba gaki omwana oyo ne Felistas kemunto kaunda gaki asirete omenyiro mutinyo no yo gatatu wansire kakamuranje eserekali yane narira asemore twaganyoire
twarerire paka nane ebintu byonsi byabange cyamese twale kobera cyarusi wetwebire kero nano amwedi kagocha gutumiro bora matanga yaga erete kare usini miro binegendred
busangane amateyeiga omusubati yeiga niga chieta senseyo eligokoro bosomba bunenchereje moyo kurigeria amateyaje asebagotebanga niga beire obotamiro anene asoko bogosemeria chingaki goikabono konyabekire miroberio nonyene yo kwagachira bibuli baye nyumba
Kennedy kaunda nkuruko omwana Felistas nero omwana no manene lakini okule omwana oyo nero oli support no nyambono wimana atikomero oroboko na ndo omwana antiere ngocha kolenda bono igare arwali turweru enkoro
Felistas nchengo ngonya alenge ono gali asakwirira bana baminto tingonyara goikororo nyale kumui gaki mwalenge kwanja omwana oyo nalega igorwale tenera achite koligeri orwale tengoro ne familia yaye ne rolenge gotema konyorolete ko gotono mu changa na matoboli achake kwa gachira ngina agia bana ba minto mukonye nonye ne shiringiro onye ni 10 aba umwana uli oyo rwalete gaki anyale gokonyeka nonye ne skuru gaki asome akibuta nubu bana ba minto bali gali bali baendete kuchandika team strong aba balenjira gocha gaki bago demonstrate abana baitu bago chandika ngumbu gali ekaro mukungu bago chandika ngo igubobe gaki bago chandika singenjo yabana
Asege kakiemetyenyi gwetania ebere ningobone ya mateye iga yabeire getigareta somusunto monene nonye nugo tantana gwekobanga emirobirio yokoeni wakwaye
bese twachangete ntwairete tokarwe cyase Iraki batoretera omwana bono ntugaiga totigarete bosa gaki tugosaba tubwatesi
abantu baberire gaige metyenye ebere more than 2 months twarageire abantu barosire gocagaiga paka ciama ciabege tugaiga echianore tuyani bone
ebire biga nigo bano baruro kuboria gucha sabarai nabo igo bari no moyo bugwancha wika e amate yue ange eri barorenga banyoriro mubere bumwana bo na komoenia nari baranyale komenya no morembe
akina mabera manena so muchioyo gotogo saba mabera gocha semore munyare gotokonya mtuna bakenya tole tuensi bono gakirende mware gotororera mabero mubero oyo nyare goikaga iga
kali itu mutawanja mondetera umwana nari muranyora abandi nabarabura nyore bagaitire bagatinde kamuranje sa
agitware gosaba ngwari gotugwate cia sobo amo omwana oyo tutare gocha tumutindike muneke mira getu kyo mugusikere erinde twebe
Kuroiga ase kenyero kia bogeka mariba ewodi ya bogeka ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South imeye kaunti ya Kisii Eliana Inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Bemuno humuri kito Diboni Asanya hasoro botiro Dituko ya kabere hasaba jumbe be kaunti ya Nyamira wakurawa na umojumbe be kaunti yo homu na Chirusha Mumanye mujumbe Westi Mugirango wa Kiri Steve Mugaka mujumbe North Mugirango Muskechu Ashinyamuko mujumbe Kitutu Masawa umuskekri Gisairo na bigo Patrick Osero barabu bagendera gutarira magacho akuweti ase kaunti ya Nyamira magacha yo ni gagendeta se chiskuru agati yabo Eliyage secondary riyabe kiabira na ichiburuso boigo hechichirekenane na bigo Nyantaro ase bunge ya Kitutu Masawa na nigo Watari skuru yoburoso ya Gisipei Mecheo Kawa na boigo menyenya
Rero ne gakia kabere wasiri tukulia kabere twansi yesterday tugakora ko North Mugirango West Mugirango rero tolebo Kitutu Masawa so muske Clive Gisairo enere skuru entangani twansire ko kugeka secondary school ndo ne korolekane contractor ya bege twane contractor wa the chinguru korolekane manyetinge wende okora. And we are so happy, especially because of the solid building. So again, nene go say mission nene kapsa. No go check each consultants chini go supervise because nobody project managers. Kama nabando kule ministry watu metuno mo PS, nabo go no mo waziri. Elinde tomanye kere project ya irirenga kientambe sana ukora. Koera. So tugo kora lera ko twakole kurubora buntu ikaranse elinde toligereli na problem kichiabero problems ki babere bago experience then after that to map the way forward
these projects because we know we have schools where our children are congested and right now we have received equipments which also need space where they can be stored so we want to ask wale ambao wamepewa hiyo kazi watie bidii na hii kazi iishe vizuri.
Kusema kwamba jana there was a miscommunication kutoka kwa Fourth Estate kwamba we had stormed to the county commissioner's office demanding an explanation for the loss of 2.7 billion. There was nothing like that and I would like that to be corrected and the message out there to be clear. We came here as members of parliament from Nyamira, just to play our role of oversight. There is no money that has been lost, not a shilling. Ni ile kwamba contractors wengine hawajaweka bidii vile inafaa katika zile contract ambazo walipata.
Elinde toete korore mirimo ya ino munegenderete asito konyorere buya twapongeza nde twabataiba koromuki ase batarachaka turike report elinde bali batatagete ko chaka miremeye to guchi contractor chire serious muno yogekega baisa ko retender some parts twaje tokanyore bintu bikorira bitari bironge it will do as good but you buya batwanyore to bakore bintu batatebe tigo bakore bagakanigwa bagatama kuru site lakini pesa chia serikali kanyara mbara.
Kuna mahali tutaenda unapata contractor ni mzembe vile tulitembea na nyinyi jana mliona. Kwa hivyo tunataka kujua ni contractor gani anafanya kazi, ndio wakati ministry inafanya report yao wanaweza ona kwamba huyu contractor hataweza kumaliza hii kazi, watumie their systems and their legal procedures kuona kwamba contractors who can finish this project can be awarded or can be retendered, those sites can be retendered to have mwananchi get benefit for their money.
Unenchereyemo yogosira chisemi hime ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigo mujumbe bwa bunge yo Muske Krivu Gisairo ara umoyega boko igore birasi bibere hase skuru yoboroso yageke iye gotoka segwadi ya Magombo hawasubo igo haira chinga kyukwanira hegati ya magendero ayekiraniri hase wodi yo hanene chiskuru ukwanekero ky'umuyego yo nigabarai aho baikirana haso umuyego yo gati abo mujumbe bwa bunge ya North Mugirango Muske Chwashnyamoko naboigo homo wakirishi wabangina hemeye kaunti ya Nyamira homo na Cherusha Mumanyi nigo baira chinga kicho na gukwanira igoro yobora yobuya muri kitu fadiga Disemba na roboti rwa senchira yobwikira
nase umuyiga bwo igora ebirasi bibere ase skuru yoboroso yageke umuyiga uragwa n'umubunke ukitutu Masaba Muske Krivu Gisairo
togate abanko bara sector birasi bibere complete moroje birasi biri byabire birasi biko abana baitesiko birasi bigwate chiloka ebirogo whiteboard the ceiling ekerasi ekia ebiroro burabogo so nali abana baito banyora sagi abago so nyambari ageke Nyamwanga primary yamachana mpaka Nyamwanga kere skuli ya nyori birasi bibere unebi bibweka ine photocopy yamachana birasi bitatu Nyaguku secondary likorobandira alenga ali yakwamete mwali baita na alikolete ikarabase
aiga abayibori imbasa bwa wika abana babange aso kurigereria puna amasomo abo agenderete naboigo abayibori abaiga nigo basabirwe bakwanire abana babo igoro yoko birenda byonsi ebiga bakorairwe
abayibori tebe abana baito bintu birito abikirali babirende umwana gakubuna eloka principal tafadhali umuyibori akoletere lokende naliye konyo umwana uli ndomo ko uri maiga yae
ni numoko lenda abantu ababo chikorosia community yaito a future yaito oika era sama bokaino so you must take care of these children abana ko bachire school umwana gagocha marogoba nonye tumaetigo soma aya motabi ntango ndararore kigwakora
ukwanira igoro yobora yobuya nigo umubunge bwebunge ya North Mugirango Muske Chwashnyamoko akwanira igoro yobuya bwogochora umurai asentunda ya kabere anene asoria okorekana gukora amagenderero
lisito North Mugirango bange tentunda ya kabere bone ko baraisi karuko bwatia amagenderero emipange lyons kwa vekira senjo korera abantu baitu amaskania manene ekera abantu abange bakuvuga ku kinyomba cyabo lituko riri wagachikura batayigotebererigwa kwanyora bachire bagochorire
ekiagera ese myaka 5 mokorre binakunirega eyende mwangete in advance inde 2027 mpaka 2032 moko nyanandi na iranira
chingaki echecho nigo siasa che kaunti ya Nyamira naboigo ogosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i yaira ribagariaye
momanyeti nje mama county Cherusha Mumanyi ochikoryo bugabana bwa Nyamira 2027 mara tayari turiyo bugabana nobo Ntegisairo nonye tole nera nari ensemo yayari ese siasa kilo muntu nara asale yako sikwa osabano igo nonde na kisaira sare no ale twesi abana nchi tokorere gasi mtu asiwadanganye ngatoli twanja ini osetokora na twaminyokani moroje nyandi twakuminyokani anganacha
yangeye igego tebange ngoko igere se chubiri nakimoroje ngoko esungukirene erangie baliri alafu neli rumario morembe matia ebintu ebingo binyora chitore ngora ino monya buko tunaelewana njitinko baira enchera mugo chosira
Hinko reporter Getembe koroiga se skuru yo boroso yageke iyegotoka imenye wodi ya Magombo ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Yisemba
Bemono homori Tigad Yisemba ha soro voturo Museneta we county ya Nyamira homusko kongo mugeni Nigemambia lero haikarana se bunge ye county ya Nyamira hasaliganiwa no muspika we county yo Darius Nyabaro Asige karekyo nigasabira aba MCA gwikara nimero 2 yabo hanene mono asokwe nekibese ki county ya Nyamira ngutumekakire asencherengia gwikara woniga nige county ya Nyamira yanyoriye chiringi jipironi 54 asatebire amagenderero hakoliru taraisana mulikito samu migenda no robotirwa senchira yo gwikara
Omo senator we county ya Nyamira Eric Okongo Mogeni Nigemambia lero haikirana sibunge county ya Nyamira ase ariganirwa no musipika we county ya Thaddeus Nyabaro na baigo aba MCA we county ya Nyamira.
Also take this opportunity to welcome the visiting dignitary, that's our senator, one and only Honorable Eric Okongo Mogeni.
Ase igaikarikyo nigasabira ba MCA gwikirania mirimo yabo nene mono asoko ne kiachi besa chi county ya Nyamira ngutumekachire asenchererengia.
And on governance, Mr. Speaker, I emphasize that governance is about service to our people and not self-service. Mr. Speaker, when I, as your senator, and you as honorable members, walk through the streets of Nyamira, we want our people to cheer because they are happy to see us. Because they are happy that we have made service delivery to them and get it. We want them to cheer us, to clap that our hospitals are working, that our hospitals are medicine, that their children are going to ECD schools that they are proud of. That yes, indeed, through the efforts of the Senate and the efforts of the members of the County Assembly, they have seen tarmac roads where before only they could see is tarmac. Mr. Speaker, that dream cannot be realized unless members of the County Assembly and the Senate are true to their core of oversight.
Gwikira bono nige county ya Nyamira yanyoreje shilingi billion 64 ase atebire chibese echo chitari kolenganirwa na magendero akorekanire ase county ya Yue.
Mr. Speaker, sir, since the advent of devolution, Nyamira has received a staggering 63,956,379,409 shillings, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, with nearly 64 billion shillings, Nyamira should be a shining county. Should be like our neighbor, Kigali. We should be seeing a clean, organized, working city with street lights lit all over. Our people receiving piped water with world-class ECD classes.
Korengana no mugeni nigo chibesa chikona ngo chiase county ya Nyamira chia mentre esa asobisi buno mo senator we county ya Yue.
The major role of a senator is to ensure that funds reach our counties for service delivery. And here I want some bragging rights, Mr. Speaker. I'm here to state that as your senator, together with the 67 senators in Nairobi, we have done the FEDP. Amendment that I moved as your senator to secure an additional 371 million shillings as affirmative action funds.
Igasabira gwali bwali okoremere mo korengana nili chiko. Elio aire erebuna omo senator.
Mr. Speaker, sir, let me be very candid and clear on this point. Mr. Speaker, the framers of our Constitution never intended that oversight should be a fact. Oversight, Mr. Speaker, sir, was intended to be a duty of call for honorable senators and for honorable members of the County Assembly. Oversight, Mr. Speaker, I emphasize, is not an act of war. You aren't being difficult when you ask how the money was paid. You are merely being a patriot.
Gukwanira iguru ya chibesa chikurugwa nebengi ya World Bank ichicharetirwo botutukanu ase kaunti ya Nyamira niga tebereke ganche kigia siegetu asenge ncho chibesa chichitari gutumika ase nchere enkeranu.
The World Bank crisis, Mr. Speaker. It is deeply disheartening that the World Bank and FLOCA has withheld donor support to our great county. Our donors have looked at our books and effectively given us a rate. Programs that were meant to cushion our people have been suspended. Accounts that were made to pay those who are supporting us have been frozen. And all this because it's alleged by the World Bank that we are involved in financial management irregularities.
Kuripoti reke taseni kiaga tembe, Jensam, Yenda.
Bemuno homo likito samu miyenda haso roboti urwa. Mwemsi wegodi yeveno homo Steve Arika. Niga kwa nairumuro biryoye wogokoro muchandu wa mache senseme yugwetera sokwene kibuna. Chi project chonsia masche chagetigwe chelire. Kukwane marogoba yarero chingaki chokorata chi project chakabosi. Irungo Arika niga mentabuna ne chikwene kichi komiti boigo. Chabekirwe helikwene kiama chayo harendurwe hegetambukira boigo kegwokoboko nabamenyi bechinsemicho.
Tukulera no gutara chi project cha mache buna mache alerwete kabosi paka nyantrogo na bakabosi gora twachakoranga nakina baroba konyora amache kurwa asegesima gaiga ande tora mache ande nare kururia misiori araba gocho chaskabosi era bantu baito panyora mache go bwaterana nainte no mugabo no ito separate koranga kero mochi onyorira mache go sekere kenyoro amache aikire igo no twali gutara na machande nararia kirira nora kugenda bakagesere igoro na machande gwetero mushimi wa Said Janda nkurwale Kyombu aichego cyanye bisabana cyo nyantro banda ndebuchi nyamagwa
twabere no mwako munene gekogera buno mushimi wa Kirega oichire na bali ba usikaine aba engineer koranga amachaya buna begetu mbarororo bataranyora bono tweta lia misiocha ase wotatangire nande tuandalia Nyabira se wotatangire lia Nyabira amacha abere connected baka nyantro abantu ngonyora bara amache nande nkonyubale tunashukuru kwa hayo
kwakira mugambito Steve Arika ngambu ya mono asogo tunyora na intu asa amacha yaiga ogenda totobekera nando gusaba waito na watebire amacha ya aika ase chipara chitundubali chikanisa enda abantu baito banyore obwere bwa amache bole yange namona bangina nabasubati baito ebakonya komonyakani gochiroche ebisunte karo kende karo barule chiro baireirwe banyora amacha asale yange bakobujera nande ngosaba abantu be community yiga akia so wanje koino moba batoereru mugambito nagendete gotokorera mirime miya tomosire nera toletero burabu ase community yakabo
Omo MCA wegodi ya bomba baburabo homoske Patrice Makwae nigene kiriga tia magendro hali kiraniri hase wodi yo kakwano musangrekano yomo himeye wodi yo hoyorengeti gosigira baburaka Makwae nigate buna nigo habigeto mokiwo kwene kibuna bana inchinkonyore bare hamagendro hali yaganire
ekero nari go campaign chikura egari yani egasarikiraga igase kogoto abangwana barengo bari wake kogoto bakanyerenda ngakoro mukutano bakandinye pigipigi nkagenda bagantebe nkonga bale chikura ekaba bagosenja babo iga fada noe kogoto ase wodi engima noe kogote kurwa ekwagacha abangina nabagaka eba wake kogoto tigangondora bange bali ba wake kogoto ga no mole baka nabagaka mugante binga tota togotonyara togoto afis togotogora mafutanyeni toroserie para elinde ekogoto yaitu eruma buya ngakora bagosena akora bo fata naende ase wodi engima igom balance ti amagendero kurucha chimugonga kiango mpaka Randani. Lakini lero keronda igongo kwa na magenda ranka. Epare yenkarosie gatiari njatware moram uchigosia njatware maram. Kono bunangu wasakarosie chipara to wasakarosie chumu akoyo. Epare ye nkore agabit kalika taerate na kuchigosia ntabokie. Onya mamba godon. Epare ligi inaro setine chibasi chumu buko mwari mgeto siretari. Inye grade bono buya nyebeke maram eimoke iguru. Epare kogenda kuchia onya taya kuchimoinu. Na chitega ali tukogete ngona weta na enyene parera kanyara ne para ngoro sinde pareria echiete kuchiboji konyara sinde kubekera abantu bago chimoinalia kango chingo ngakie chibwake rumugaba na Paul Simbarati abache tega iga agatere na bori buno musacha agateba ngochiale konge nomination na ngete kusetangete na kimoko matebia Simbarati tutam by force by fire. Mwanje mogoraki. Imeta bangina ba minto mogo disappoint mogo ntiga. Ochi konga mora magoro. Ntwa seta ya goto televi no to koroli gochi. Ya goto televi right no to gochi. Ya goto televi left no to kogenda. Atupanduki tuko nyuma yake. Sisi ni Joshua, Governor Paul Simbarati.
Na soroboti rumonchumu ligerelia tunyoro mutimo komo keto kuirana tugende ne kionga senchira yoboikira.
Discover the new Venus Advanced Care Body Lotion, a revolutionary blend of serums and natural ingredients designed to transform your skin into a masterpiece of firmness, radiance, and youthfulness. Infused with hyaluronic acid serum, nature's ultimate moisturizer, Venus unveils confidence that captivates with 5 times more hydration. Venus. Inspired by nature, perfected by science.
Weka tokwa na yetu arorire. Chei mamu. Agia tanga ya buyama ni gongo tinyubukira. Amangana beya mayana rongo ganina tera. Magana mayango yoretie ene baba tobande bali kogani twakwana omondaga kora mayana endogo kumimwati njerinze ebuna bono simbara tumogaba no itero temie korwasa etobisia ekene kya magano temie ebuna bono chibara cheito omogaba no itoni yagasaine kosomia bana chizukuru omogaba na narwe paseri anyagetari otemire na mariogo tarikolema banyagetari omendire sabezi yabeyerengia emwamanya komora maya omogaba no gasaine mbere moya aye
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Karibu na inde umancho mo rigeria. Mukonyi bumura yo munne hwekiama gia Jubilee Homoske Fred Matiang'i nigararire hegatia munchiria hagochigwekerani chinga kiarachi gochorwa huno murai bense. Muske Matiang'i nigakwanira hanene omoroberio olinda mama oyarengete gokonya habasubati baibwatinaniti chingaki bakogonkia.
Sisi tuko tayari kufanya hii kazi kwa sababu tunajua kuifanya. Waliona tukiifanya hapa, tukisafisha sekta ya elimu, waliona tukiifanya hapa, tukisimamia usalama, waliona tukiifanya hapa, tukileta linda mama. Sasa sisi tunataka kuendelea kufanya hiyo kazi. Ama namna gani? Hayo ndio mambo tunahubiri tukienda mbele, ili watu wetu wapate nafasi ya kuboresha uchumi wetu na kuendesha nchi yetu kwenda mbele. Hatuna shida na mtu yeyote. Hata tukiwa kwa upinzani, wale wenzetu wengine katika upinzani tuko nao, kama wale ambao pia wanataka urais, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mama Martha Karua, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa, Mheshimiwa Natembea, na wale wote ni ndugu na dada zangu. Tunaongea polepole, nyinyi wananchi mtatuamurisha vile mtajua, lakini mnaelewa mambo ya kama ni kazi mnataka ifanywe, mnajua ni kitu gani mtafanya. Wengine wananifuata kwa kanda, wananiambia wewe Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, sisi tunataka kuingia Jubilee. Wajana na hii tunaongea hapa, sisi tunataka kwenda Jubilee. Na mimi nawaambia hivi, mshirikiane na sisi viongozi, fungueni mikono yetu. Na wale ambao wamekuwa wakirandaranda hapa wengine wakisema Jubilee labda imelala, imepotea, leo nataka wajue hivi, na nataka kuambia hivi, we are very serious people. They will feel us, they will see us, and finally tutakuwa nao pamoja as very serious people.
Seneta wa kaunti ya Kisii Homoske Richard Momaima Onyonka nigaorokirie kirenga kiogo chia kong'anya kurwase kiama kia ODM na goswa kiama gia Jubilee hamwe tukaribosio. Anyana bo Homoske Onyonka nigene kirigo chia kugendera kurwanirira kiama kia ODM wasobono. Onyonka nigaringiko ya kwana ya se kaunti ya Nakuru asomoroberio boko igorwa kwa visi ye kiama gia Jubilee.
Mimi nimekuja hapa kama yule anakuja kushuhudia chama cha Jubilee mnafanya nini, kwa sababu mimi niko opposition na nyinyi mko opposition. Kwa wale ambao hamnijui, mimi ni senator wa Kisii ambaye alichaguliwa na ODM. Lakini hivi karibuni mimi naingia Jubilee. Na tumesema hawatauza chama ya Paba. So hiyo wachia sisi tutamanage. Honorable Kionia, I want you to listen to me. When you started the Jubilee story, I did not take you seriously. But you had a vision and you had a dream with this party. I want to thank you. Because if you were not there, this party would not have been anything. Your Excellency Fred Matiang'i, as you know, you are my friend and my brother. I want to say one thing about hakuna mtu ambaye utafanya rais wa nchi ya Kenya ambaye atafanya kazi ya kufurahisha kama huyu jamaa yuko hapa. Tumeelewana? The reason why I looked and considered that Fred Matiang'i is a good presidential candidate is because of his record. Number two, Fred Matiang'i will disagree with you, but you don't become enemies. Kama mjui, mimi wakati nilikuwa mbunge na yeye akiwa waziri wa Uhuru, tulikuwa na korofishana kila mwezi. Lakini ananipigia anasema, bro, I know we disagreed. Ebu come, I hear what you're saying. So Your Excellency, keep up the good spirit. Listen to everybody. These people are going, some will be fighting for you, some will be fighting over you, some will be fighting against you, but keep your eye on the ball. Wale mnaosimama kura MCA, msisahau people with disability. Msisahau kina mama. You know the men, when we are in office, we keep on selecting ourselves. And finally, I want to say, mimi kazi yangu nitafanya na nyinyi wakati tumeanza campaign proper. Nitakuje niwaambie here, you are not going to become a member of parliament, an MCA, or even indeed our presidential candidate because he wants to go and steal more land, he steals more money, he eats money from SHA, he takes over everything, he flies in helicopters. Honorable Fred, keep on using your small cars around here. Wachana na mambo ya ndege. Jubilee.
Na sorobotero manchomo hikiria nongwikira umwerio wa mang'ana mayaye kiunga chinsenye chiabona butiko aliterane Cyrus Nyakundi asensemeri bimenyererio nikaringe Wilson Makure na gusabiro twa robotiko nabo igoboligereria burubia
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo rembe, ninjo darome, mangana man, bagina ninjo.
Na ino mubusiara tebaiga. Aye, nyakerere rwanka na mechina akoregwa. Orore koregire nka abu se bintu kari gukora mbiwe ne tikinyorekyo. Na yuri no chanda abantu abu kinyorekyo basumbwe sabe smo kore bazi. Ayibona mangana one pepe. Aye nyakerere kware rwabu. Na abu bazi sokora. Nyakerere rwanka na mechina akoregwa. Aye no vende siko no venda andons. Na buchi ko binchiyu. Imi nchiyu ra ibnore girego. Nyakerere rwanka na mechina akoregwa. Denda buya hane nke Yesu ore mu Rwanda abantu mumenye buya iriyere tore bwana ta uriyaya na kikinya karere rwanka na mechina akoregwa data
Bagaka ninjo rembe, ninjo darome, mangana man, bagina ninjo.
Ine nuganeti konyora chisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January iyogenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Neliwad Masaba constituency, ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi tubate chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekorama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara barobwawa ase ngenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kuruase serikali pamoja na funding ya kuruase High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikalia nwali intake intogenderete karibu
intake ya January nigo egenderete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.